In this video, we are going to learn one more method of filter in PivotTable, and it is called slicer tool technique. To use slicer tool, first click to any cell of PivotTable, like I am selecting J6 cell. Then go to PivotTable Analyze tab over here and click over it. In that, go to filter section over here. And then click to insert slicer. We will get all our header option. We can select single header and multiple header also. Currently I am selecting single header only, like here. After selecting here, then click OK. The moment we click OK, one new box of here came in Excel worksheet. We can adjust it like this. Now we can select any year. We can select single year or we can select multiple year. Suppose we are selecting 2019. Then click 2019. Now PivotTable and PivotChart update themselves as per 2019. Suppose we are selecting 2020. Then click 2020. Now PivotTable and PivotChart update themselves as per 2020. Suppose we want to select 2020 and 2021. Then first click 2020, then press Ctrl, then click 2021. Like this. Now PivotTable and PivotChart update themselves as per 2020 and 2021. Like this, we can select multiple year. Suppose I want to add one more header. Then again I have to click any cell from PivotTable, like I am selecting J6 cell. Then click to PivotTable Analyze tab over here, and in that click to Insert Slicer. From the list I am selecting region now. Then click OK. The moment we click OK, new box of region came in Excel worksheet. Adjust it like this. Now suppose we are selecting year 2019, then click 2019 and region South, then click South. Now PivotTable and PivotChart update themselves year 2019 and region South. Now suppose we are selecting year 2019 and 20, then click 2019, then press Ctrl, then click 2020 and region South and West. Then first click South, then press Ctrl, then click West. Now PivotTable and PivotChart update themselves as per 2019 and 2020 and region as per South and West. We can add many slicer in the worksheet as per our own requirement. It is very cool feature by Excel to filter PivotTable and PivotChart. Use this slicer tool technique in your Excel worksheet, and I will see you in next video.